Windows PC keeps creating temporary files, cache, update, leftovers, and other unnecessary data every day. If you don't manage it, your C drive gradually fills up and your PC can slow down and end up wasting time cleaning it manually. That's why I make sure Storage Sense is configured properly. So, in this video, I will walk you through the entire Storage Sense settings so that you can effectively and optimizely use Storage Sense and automatically clean up your C drive. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, we need to open settings. To open settings, we are going to click on this Windows icon and type on settings and click on the best match, that is settings. Okay, settings window will appear on our screen, and after at the left bar you will see an option named as systems. If we click on systems, then you will find, just by scrolling a little bit, there is an option called storage. Let's go to storage, and if it asks for any permission, just click yes. And in here you will get to know your storage summary. Okay, so there is a section that is storage management, and under that section you will see a Storage Sense. Let's go directly to Storage Sense. Okay, so we need to keep in mind two things at the very beginning. The first and the most important thing is you need to toggle on the Storage Sense. If you don't toggle on this, nothing under the Storage Sense settings will work. Okay, and second thing we should do is we should tick mark this box right here which says keep Windows running smoothly by automatically cleaning up temporary files and app files. So your temporary files and app files will automatically get cleaned by the Windows. Okay, you don't need to do that manually. Okay, so let's jump into configuring our Storage Sense efficiently, right? So there is an option named as Run Storage Sense, and it is set to every month. But it gives you 4 other options as well, that is every day, every week, every month, and a default that is during low free space only. So what this does is, after every specific amount of days, the Storage Sense automatically cleans up your C file. So every day is, I think, overkill for most of the users. Every week is fine if you rigorously use your PC all day long. Every month is recommended for most of the users, and during low disk free space is set default because it only cleans up the C drive when the C drive gets filled. So I recommend personally every month for most of the users will be perfectly fine, because every month it would look for unnecessary files and clean it. There is another option that is delete files in the recycle bin. It is by default set to 30 days. So what recycle bin is, if you just delete a file from your computer, it doesn't remove it temporarily. Rather, it stores in the recycle bin first. It's a backup storage sort of. So if you set this to 30, that means that after 30 days, the recycle bin will automatically get cleaned. Okay. So I suggest that 13 days is fine, but if you want, you can also do it 60, but never set it to the option never, because if you set never, then recycle bin will never get deleted automatically, and it would eventually fill your C drive. And the last option there is that delete files in my downloads folder if they haven't been open for more than, and you get 4 other options as well. So when you download a file, it gets preserved in the downloads folder, right? So what this refers to is, after this specific amounts of date, the downloads folder will also remove those files as well and save up your C drive. My personal recommendation is never for this setting is fine, because in your downloads folder you basically download things that are valuable to you. So if this gets deleted, then you might face trouble later. So never is fine. Just make sure that you manage your download folder more often. Yes, so that is it. There is one more interesting option, that is Run Storage Sense Now. So if you click on this Run Storage Sense Now, it would make all the settings that we did effective right away and run a storage check and cleanup operation right away. Okay, so that was it, and that was a few minutes of setup that gives me a long-term hands-free maintenance, leaving me with more free space and one less thing to worry about. Thanks for watching. I will see you at the next one.